Hey, what's up you guys, Big Z in this one from Bengali and welcome to another Bengali tutorial by Big Z. So I realized I've taught you many different things over these years, but I forgot to teach you how to say today, tomorrow and yesterday in Bengali. So in this lesson I'm going to go over that. So let's get started. Gotokal is yesterday. Gotokal, yesterday. Okay? Gotokal, yesterday. Go, to, koyakar ka, lo. Gotokal. So that's yesterday. Gotokal, yesterday. Gotokal. I've written that in English so that you guys understand what the heck is happening here. So go, to, ka, lo. Gotokal, yesterday. Okay, now let's deal with today or ajke. You can say ajke or aj, depends on the situation basically, like where in the sentence you're using it. We're gonna go over that in a separate tutorial, but this is just the basics, okay? We have aj or ajke, so this is shorea and borgajo. So this gives you aj. So shorea, borgajo, aj. So that's aj, which is today, or you can also say ajke, which is basically the same thing here. Shorea, borgajo, aj, and koyakarke. So you just add koyakarke at the end of aj, and then it gives you ajke. So this ajke, today. So aaj or ajke, that's today in Bengali. Let's go over tomorrow now. So tomorrow is agamikal. So I've written that in English. I think I did a good job with that. Yeah, okay, that's good. Agamikal, and let's break down the Bengali portion here now. So this is shoria, goyakar ga. So that's aga. Shoria, goyakar ga, aga. We have more dirghikar mi. So that's agami, agami. And then we have koyakar ka, lo, kal. Shoria, goyakar ga, mo dirghikar mi, agami, koyakar ka, lo, kal. Agamikal. Tomorrow. Okay, here's the interesting part. Day after tomorrow. What is that in Bengali? That's porshu. Porshu. So this is po, boshinoro, talibashoroshukar. Porshu. This weird thing might confuse you, but I've gone over that before. So this is just talibashoroshu. So this is talibashoroshu, which gives you the sound shu. So po, boshinoro, por, and then talibashoroshu shu gives you porshu. Okay, porshu. Po, boshinoro, talibashoroshukar shu. Porshu. Day after tomorrow. So yeah, let's recap now. Gotokal. Yesterday. Gotokal. Yesterday. Aj. Today. Aj. Today. Ajke. Also today. Ajke. Today. Agamikal. Tomorrow. Agamikal. Tomorrow. Porshu. That's day after tomorrow. Porshu is day after tomorrow. So I hope this video makes sense to you guys. Any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.